Are you tired of spending hours on graphic design with complicated software? What if I told you there are amazing free tools that can help you create stunning visuals in minutes? Stick around, because in today's video we are revealing the 10 best and free graphic design tools that every digital marketer should know about. These tools help you create stunning visuals without breaking the bank. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more digital marketing tips that can elevate your brand. Now, let's get started. First on our list is Canva, the all-time favorite tool for marketers and non-designers alike. Canva offers thousands of free templates for everything from social media posts to presentations. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it super easy to create professional designs in minutes without any design experience. Plus, it's free to use. With tools for photo editing, animations, and custom branding, Canva is your go-to for all things design. Next up, we have Adobe Express, formerly known as Adobe Spark. This free tool from the Adobe suite allows you to create high-quality graphics, web pages, and video stories effortlessly. Perfect for quick social media graphics, Adobe Express provides beautiful templates, making it easy to create standout content in just a few clicks. Looking for a powerful, free alternative to Photoshop? GIMP is an open-source software perfect for advanced photo manipulation, retouching, and graphic design. While it takes a little time to master, GIMP offers almost every feature you'll need to create professional-grade designs at no cost. With features like photo retouching, image composition, and customizable plugins, GIMP is a fantastic choice for serious designers looking for a free alternative. Coming in at number 4 is Inkscape. This is the perfect free tool for vector graphics and illustrations. It's great for marketers who want to design logos, icons, and complex illustrations. With a bit of practice, Inkscape gives you all the power of a paid vector tool without any cost. Inkscape supports the SVG format and offers extensive drawing tools, making it a favorite among graphic designers. If you're into vector art, this tool is a must-try. Crello, now known as VistaCreate, it's perfect for creating animated and static graphics. This tool is designed for digital marketers who want to create engaging and visually dynamic content without spending hours designing from scratch. From ads to Instagram stories, you'll find a template for every need. With a vast library of templates, you can easily design engaging content. Its animation capabilities and intuitive editing tools make it a favorite for marketers wanting to spice up their social media posts. If you're into collaborative projects or UI design, Figma is your best bet. It's 100% free for individual use and perfect for real-time collaboration. Whether you're working on website designs, wireframes, or prototyping, Figma's seamless interface allows teams to work together effectively and produce professional-level graphics. Vectr is another amazing free tool for vector graphics creation. Unlike Inkscape, Vectr has a simple learning curve and works directly in your browser. It's ideal for marketers looking to create quick logos, icons, and infographics with minimal effort. Next up is Pixlr. This is a web-based photo editor that offers a simplified version of Photoshop. You can easily remove backgrounds, apply filters, and edit your images with Pixlr's user-friendly online editor. It's perfect for digital marketers who need quick, on-the-go photo enhancements. With basic editing tools, filters, and effects, Pixlr is great for users who want quick edits without the complexity of advanced software. It's user-friendly and free. Next we have Playseat, a free tool known for its incredible mock-up templates. Whether you're launching a new product or showcasing your brand, Playseat offers thousands of free mock-ups for everything from apparel to social media posts. You can even create branded video content in a matter of minutes. Finally, we have Visme. This versatile tool allows you to create presentations, infographics, and social media graphics. With a drag-and-drop editor, templates, and data visualization tools, Visme is perfect for professionals needing to create informative and visually appealing content. And there you have it, 10 incredible and free graphic design tools that'll take your digital marketing visuals to the next level in 2024. Whether you need to design social media graphics, edit photos, or create animations, these tools have got you covered. Which tool are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below.